Great news. I'm here by the railroad tracks. There is a train coming. The problem is, I'm standing next to the wrong line. It's not on the Kanawha River Rail line. It's on the R.J. Corman line. I cannot get the signs in the picture here. Well, or the video. Visitor parking. That's funny. That's why it's been closed a few years, but the signs are still here. Walking over here because I think they still got a few more cuts of cars to hook up, and then they go in the Thurman. Nope, I'm not facing the Thurman today, just with a simple fact. By the time I get the Thurman, it'll be too dark to film anyways. That and I have to go in the Princeton Packs. After walking half the day, going to Princeton Packs, and then this, I think it's time I call it a day. I may be a famous YouTuber, but I'm a poor YouTuber because I'm not making a bunch of money at YouTube. Well, technically I wouldn't say poor. All the lawn care, landscaping, and none of the projects I get into does keep my bills paid and keeps a roof over my head. Lord's blessed me there. Because I always have the food to eat and the roof over my head and my bills are paid. Well, for the most part. Went to Packs and they were still loading, come home and now they're coming like an hour or so later, here they come. You know, now we could probably use a little bit of rain. This the other day it's a little too wet, the ground's completely saturated. Now it's actually warming up and getting warm and sunny all the time. The ground's drying up. Although it's probably going on a week or two with no rain before it'll get too dry. Considering just the other day it's snowing. I think we're okay. Tommy! There's Tubby again. Oh, a random rail fan parked the car behind the R.J. Corman truck. I think I might know who that is. Yeah. I knew the train was going to do that, and I still jumped. The train is ticking. This time I got the horn salute. Half the time I stop recording and don't get the horn salute because I don't hit the record button quick enough when the air brakes are releasing. Yeah. I have no idea what that was for. That car stops, pulls over, then I guess they're having a way on the crossing to clear so I can go across the railroad crossing. I can see all the Corman engines way off in the distance. Howdy. I think everybody walks this line is used to seeing me here. When I'm not busy walking, I'm usually here or somewhere along the main line, and occasionally on the Norfolk Southern Main. That one's just too far away to film. I film it more. It's easier to travel 10-15 minutes than it is to an hour for an hour to film. Okay. Why? So much for getting a good photo. The car just randomly stopped in the roll crossing for no apparent reason.